2015 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trip computer, carpeted floor mats, day-night rear view mirror, outside temperature gauge, front bucket seats, tinted glass, body color door handles, 4-piece floor mat set. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.